Ever wondered how food stays safe from farm to fork? Today we're talking about HACCP, the global food safety superhero. HACCP? What HACCP stands for? H for hazard, A for analysis, C for critical, C for control, P for point. Simply, find risks, control them, keep food safe.
Now that we understand what HACCP is and why it is important, let's look at the 7 principles of HACCP. Conduct hazard analysis. Determine critical control points, establish critical limits, establish monitoring procedures, establish corrective actions, establish verification procedures, establish record keeping and documentation. Let's go through each principle step by step.
Let's start with the first principle, that is hazard analysis. First of all, we look for biological, chemical, and physical hazards. So in every steps like receiving, storing, cooking, and serving. Now, step number 2 is to identify critical control points. CCPs. HACCP is a step where control is essential to prevent, eliminate, or reduce a significant hazard to a safe level. For example, knife storage. Dangerous, but not a CCP. Hand washing. Important, but usually not a CCP. Cooking chicken to 75 degrees is a CCP. I hope you understand now. Let's now dive into step 3. Establish critical limits. A critical limit is the exact boundary between safe and unsafe. If you cross it, the food is no longer acceptable. For example, cooking. 75 degree is safe, but below 75 degree is not safe. Critical limits are measurable values. If the limit is not met, the product fails. Step 4. Establish monitoring procedures. Monitoring means checking the critical control points to make sure the critical limit is met and recording it immediately. Monitoring is check the CCP regularly. Record the results. So monitoring answers 3 questions. Are we staying within the critical limit? How often do we check who is responsible? For example, cook chicken at 75 degrees Celsius. Check every batch. Now let's go to step number 5. Establish corrective actions. Corrective action is acting immediately when a critical limit is not met, to fix the problem and prevent unsafe food from reaching the customer. If the limit fails, then take action immediately. Example: cooking temperature below 75 degrees. Stop. Fix it, record it.
Step 6. Establish verification procedures. This is to confirm the system works. Verification confirms that monitoring and corrective actions are working properly. It proves the system is effective. For example, review records, calibrate thermometer, internal audit, verification done periodically to confirm the system itself is working. Let's go to the final principle or step. Establish record keeping. So document all HACCP activities. Record keeping provides proof that the HACCP system is implemented and controlled. Without records, you have no evidence. Corrective action reports, calibration records, verification records, CCP temperature logs. If it's not recorded, it didn't happen. Thank you for watching. You now know what is HACCP and its 7 principles. HACCP helps keep food safe. Stay tuned for the next video where we will explore more about food safety and quality management.